Hey guys, so today I've got a 2016 Mazda 3. I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter. No special tools are required. So on this model, it's inside the glove box. First thing I'm going to do is open the glove box. There's two notches, one over here and then one same on this side. First thing I'm going to do is pull it down. Same on this side. It's going to come down, then it's going to have a little plunger right over here. It just pulls out just like that. And the glove box is on the front. All right, so we got the cabin air filter right over here. We're gonna pull up on it and pull the cabin air filter out. Discard it. Put the new cabin air filter same way. That's it. We're gonna put it back in there. Plunger in, and that's it. Very easy procedure, very easy to do. Thank you for watching this video. Please support, like, and subscribe.